Hey guys, it's Stephanie with Simarchy and welcome to my advanced building tutorial series. If you're looking for something for beginners, I do have another playlist linked in the description below. So today I'm going to give you just a quick overview of spandrels and how to use them with columns to create archways, doors, closets, rooms with curtains instead of walls, things like that. And spandrels are actually an item that I really didn't pay much attention to when I first started playing The Sims, but it's definitely a really cool item that you can do a lot with. I'm just going to go into our medium walls here for a second. So the first thing you want to do is place a wall, and then you're going to click right here on the spandrels that come out from the house, in between the house and the column. And when you click on any of these and hover over the wall, it'll actually replace it. And they're kind of just floating in midair, so this is where the columns come in. You sort of want to find one that matches and put it right there. So you can use these on porches of houses. You can use them to build gazebos. I will have a more thorough tutorial about gazebos and trellises on houses. And again, you can use them as archways and doorways for closets and things like that, room dividers. So let's go ahead and show you a few of those options real quick. Okay, so here's our little makeshift bedroom. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the actual archways. Now, sometimes it's actually easier to use the columns first so that the spandrels go right in between the walls. So let's say we wanted to make a little archway to go into the bedroom here. We'll put the columns first, and then we'll go grab our spandrels and place them right there. Now it's going to take up the entire wall, but all you have to do is then grab your wall tool and rebuild the wall. So there is a cute little archway. Let me put in some wallpaper so you can see it a bit better. Now maybe these aren't the best columns to go with that one. You could probably find something a little bit more fancy perhaps. Let's go ahead and replace these with this one right here. Whoops. Gotta make sure it's angled correctly. So there you go. That's how you create an archway into a room. Now this also works for closets. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that as well. I'm going to move our bed aside, and we're going to build a little closet area right here. I'm going to copy my wallpaper. And again, we're going to grab a spandrel. Let's grab a different one. Let's grab, this one's a bit more decorative right there. And we're going to go ahead and grab our columns again. Let's just use the same columns we used over here. And what you can do then is just leave it open and create your little closet back here, or you can use it to drape curtains. Now there's 2 or 3 kind of cool ways that I use the spandrels combined with the curtains. One is for closets, another is for a room divider, and the third is sort of like a canopy for a bed. So I will show you those super quickly. So if we put our wall back here instead, it's actually better to put the curtain where you want first and then go ahead and use the spandrels. So we're going to go into our decorations. We're going to grab one of the really pretty curtains. This one came with the movie hangout stuff. We'll just grab this in pink right here. Actually, let's go down to our shorter walls so it sits a bit better. There we go. And we can hold Alt to just kind of move it up towards the top of the wall and over to the right a bit. So when we put our columns here, it won't look like it's floating in midair. And again, we will grab our spandrels here and put them right there. And then, oh, our columns actually stayed already. So we have our columns, and now it looks like the curtain is kind of just clipped into there. And we created a cute little entryway into a closet. So this can also be used as a room divider just in between rooms, and then you can use it for canopies for beds. So let's say we have our bed right here. Let's go ahead and delete all of this. Not that much, whoops. Okay, so we'll put our bed nice in center here. Again, we're going to take our walls first. We're going to build a little room around our bed. Then we're going to grab the curtain if you want to use curtains first. We'll grab that exact same one that we just used. And the pink. Again, I'm going to hold Alt and just kind of slide it exactly where I want it. And then I'm going to grab the left curtain. These overlap a bit. They do glitch out a tiny bit, but it's usually not enough to drive me crazy, so I will just kind of let those go there. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. I kind of use that wall stud as a tiny little indicator of where it's going to go. So again, I'm placing the curtains all around the bed. Oh, by the way, this also looks really cute with gazebos. I'll try to remember to show you that when we get into our gazebo tutorial. But there we go. And again, we're gonna grab our spandrels. We're gonna go back into build mode right here, and let's grab this one instead. This one has a cute little pink spandrel. And there we go. Now we created a canopy around our bed. There we go, just a cute little touch. Now again, they do look like they're kind of floating in midair here, so we're gonna grab our columns that we used before. These ones actually are an exact match to the spandrel, so that's perfect. And we will put one on each of the corners. You can also put one against the wall here. I don't know if it's super necessary, but you can put one on each wall as well. And now you have your adorable little canopy around your bed. So there is your brief introduction into spandrels. Again, you can get super creative with these. There's so many different ways you can use them. I'll probably be using them several times throughout this advanced tutorial series. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss those videos, and I will see you next time. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye! Wait guys, before you go anywhere, don't forget to click over here to watch new videos and click on my face when I disappear to subscribe.